Welcome to your first loaded vinyasa flow. We'll be using the steel mace and integrating some of the movements from workout 1. Take care of yourself, really work on stability, and if you need to regress and not swing in an asana, please listen to your body and just go at the place that you feel most comfortable. So you can start at the top of your mat in mountain pose, grounding through the feet, lengthening through the crown of head, and then hip hinge, bend the knees, and then pick up your mace in a spine intelligent way. So you can place your mace here just to rise up. So starting in prayer position, take your right hand on top, inhale, and exhale through the nose, making a ha sound at the back of the throat. Option to bring the feet together. Our first asana under load will be Utkatasana or chair pose. You can keep your mace in reverse guard position, level 1, or press your mace into horizontal overhead position, level 2. Deep knee bend, pack those shoulders, and breathe. Inhale, and exhale. Really challenge yourself to stabilize. If you'd like, you can lift your heels and slowly lower down, pausing at the bottom, then lifting up for a moment. Return to the starting position. Crank your mace into position 2. Inhale. Exhale, hinge the body forward, rounding down. Inhale, halfway lift. Again, keeping the elbows nice and tight. Exhale, fold, bend the knees if you need to. Place your mat across your mat with the handle on the right hand side. Step back to a high plank, hold. Engage your glutes, find that hollow body. Shift your shoulders forward, wrap the eye of the elbow forward, either knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga, hold. Inhale, flip the feet, upward facing dog. Knees lifted, glutes engaged, look forward, possibly lifting slightly up. Exhale, roll over the toes, downward facing dog. Take it slow, use your ujjayi breath, inhale through the nose. Exhale, making a ha sound at the back of the throat. Again, press the shoulders away from the wrists, inhale. And exhale. If your heels don't reach it all the way down, you can always bend your knees to prioritize flatness in the back. Inhale, kick your right leg up, three-legged dog, flex the foot, square the hips, toes point down, fire the glutes. Exhale, knee to nose, step the foot through the two hands, bring your back knee down. Place your mace in that position too, just right at the sternum, rise up. Hold, engage the glutes, solidify your structure here. Think about tearing your mace apart between your hands and then bending it in half to really recruit both your internal and external shoulder rotators. And then press your mace overhead, hold, and breathe. And then generating torque, bring your mace into reverse guard position, tone your back glute. On the exhale, press your mace up and overhead and hold. Pack the shoulders again, keep that back glute nice and solid. Again, reverse guard. We'll aim for about 3 repetitions of the dynamic movement in each asana. Inhale. If you need to do a power breath, it sounds like this. Exhale. Option to curl the back toe under, lift the knee. You can either continue with your reverse guard to horizontal overhead position or slide your right hand up, place your left hand underneath your right. Deep bend in the front leg, stabilize, tone that back glute. 360 swing, block dump pull. Last one. Spiral your back heel down, find your warrior 1 position. Either press your mace up into a torch position, packing the shoulders, looking up. Other variation, you can press your mace into horizontal overhead position. From here, your right hand is still on top. 360 swings, 3 reps. Back the shoulders, last one. Straighten the front leg in pyramid prep. Tone your glutes. Take an over grip and then shave the body so you're bringing your mace into position 1. Hold, hip hinge, drive the body forward. Feel that stretch in the hamstring. Return to the starting position. Over grip here. Actually, it's a half prayer and then an overhand grip. Again, drive it down. Find your pyramid position. Lengthen and punch your mace back behind you. Return to the starting position in the center of your body. So the mace is kissing distance away right in front of your nose and your belly button. Again, rotate the mace down, hinge, hold, Finding that pyramid stance. Return to the starting position. Bend your front knee, return to your warrior one. Spiral your arms up, finding that two-handed torch and hold. Bring it down. Press your mace into horizontal overhead. See that the knob is on the left-hand side. Pack your shoulders, inhale, stabilize on the way down. So think about pulling your mace apart while bending it and crushing it together. Place your mace on your mat. Carefully step back, high plank. Shift the shoulders forward, low plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, knees lifted, glutes engaged. Look up, look back. Exhale, ha, downward facing dog. Take a moment here, settle into your breath. Inhale and exhale, ha. Again, inhale and exhale. Same sequence on the opposite side. Work on stability, work on finding those landmarks, and transitioning with control, heightening your proprioceptive awareness. Inhale, take your left leg up, three-legged dog, flex the foot, square the hips, toes point down. Exhale, knee to nose, see if you can point the toes you step through. Bring that back knee down, pick up your club, pull it to sternum, rise up with a flat back. From here, press your mace into that horizontal overhead position, packing the shoulders, toning your back glute. Find your reverse guard. Inhale, exhale. Vibration at the back of the throat. Inhale, recoil. Exhale. One more, inhale, and exhale. Return to the partial prayer position. Curl the back toe under, lift the back knee. Slide your left hand up and park your right hand underneath your left. Turn your back glute on, find that closed hip stability in your high lunge. 360 swings, block, dump, pull. Block, dump, pull, balance. Spiral the back heel down, find your warrior one leg stance. Inhale, exhale, block, dump, pull. Do your best to stay running along the short edge of your mat. Block, dump, pull. Bring it in, hold. From here, straighten your front leg. Find that strong grip position. You're gonna anchor down, cross body bottom, glide past punching with your bottom arm. Come out with control, returning to that place right in front of your belly button and your nose. Again, find that cross body bottom position, carve it back, flat back, hold, stabilize. Return to the starting position. Last one. Hold, think about micro bending your left leg versus locking it out, lengthening through the crown, toning your backside glute. Return to the starting position. Bend your front leg, spiral your arms up. Hold and breathe. Float your mace back to the starting position. Slowly leverage your mace into that position right in front of your nose and chin. Then press it on up. Find your horizontal overhead position. Inhale. On the exhale, lengthen, stabilize the entire way down. Carefully step back, high plank. Shift forward, chaturanga, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. If your mace starts rolling around, you can always place a cloth underneath just to prevent it from doing that. And we'll go through the final unweighted flow without the mace. Inhale, right leg up, three-legged dog. Flex the foot. Exhale, knee to nose, step through. Knees out of the way here. Inhale, arms up. Kneeling crescent lunge, go to your edge. Find that full activation. Look up, option to lean back. Exhale, hinge forward. Curl back toe under, lift the knee, extend your arms, rise up, find that stability, shoulder pack. Spiral the back foot down, press palms together, look up, hold. Inhale, straighten the front leg, look forward. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, glide into pyramid pose, hold. Notice the newfound accessibility here, and breathe. Keep a micro bend in your knees. Feel free to separate your hands and place them on the outside of your leg if you need to. Otherwise, join them ahead of the toes, rise up with a flat back, inhale. Exhale, bend your front knee, separate the hands, flex your wrists, inhale. Exhale, hinge forward, plant the palms, carefully step back, high plank. Shift forward, chaturanga, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Squeeze those glutes on, retract your scapula, look up. Exhale, downward facing dog, let it go. 2 rounds of breath here in down dog. Inhale. Pausing and suspending and exhale, grounding through the heels. Inhale. Exhale, unshrug the shoulders away from the ears. Same sequence, opposite side. Inhale, left leg up, 3-legged dog. Flex the foot, square those hips. Exhale, knee to nose, find that hollow body, step through. Back knee down. Inhale, kneeling crescent lunge, hold. Breathe, optional look up and back, find that backward bend. Exhale, hinge the body forward. Curl the back toe under, lift the knee. Extend your arms, rise, find that full muscle activation, full fascial activation in your high lunge. Spiral the back heel down, warrior 1. Option to press the palms together, look up, inhale. And exhale. Bring your gaze forward, straighten out your front leg. Inhale, traction up. Exhale, hinge the body forward with control. Micro bend your left leg. Feel free to rest your hands on your mace if you'd like. Squeeze your biceps with your ears or separate the hands, your choice. The objective is to get a nice deep hamstring stretch here and keep the posterior chain of the back body active by extending through the arms. Slowly rise with control. Rebend your front leg. Find your warrior 1. Inhale. Flex your wrist like you're doing a handstand on the ceiling. Hinge your body forward. Imagine doing a handstand on the front wall. Place your hands on the mat, recruiting that torque. Step back, high plank, and chaturanga, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog, knees lifted. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a moment here. Check in with your body. Notice if you're feeling tighter on one side. Really work your downward facing dog. Make it active, never static, especially on the Naboso mats. You're pressing the shoulders maximally back behind your hands. Inhale, lift your heels. Exhale, bend your knees, walk or jump the feet to meet the hands. Inhale, halfway lift, come to a flat back, hold, lengthen through crown. Exhale, fold over the legs, bearing the forehead in your shins. Inhale, circle sweep, arms up, look up. Exhale, hands to prayer. Hands by your side, active mountain pose.